Namaste, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful trading frameworks I have built. This is not just another indicator. This is complete market structure engine combining Loren swing setup. This is my Nalini Loren system trading indicator. It gives you Loren swing setup, multi-time frame range filters, daily opening range breakout, that is for intraday, weekly opening range breakout, monthly opening range breakout, internal trend filter, and it involves smart breakout retest logic also. Most of the traders, they look at a single time frame. Market does not move on a single time frame. Institutions operate on multiple time frames simultaneously. That is why this system is designed to align short-term, medium-term, and higher time frame market structure before giving a trading signal. So you are going to see that. Let us understand each component. First component is the swing structure. So it automatically plots this Loren system indicator, Nalini Loren system indicator. It automatically plots the swing structure. For example, this was the swing low yesterday and it continued today swing high. And today afternoon session, this was the swing high and this is the swing low. It is marking the swing low. So like this you get, and also in this indicator for an intraday, I am on an intraday time frame, I am showing it to you. Let me zoom it. This is the open range high and open range low. This, it has been labeled like this, open range high and open range low. What happened to the market? Today it gapped up. It could not break above the open range high. That is based on the 30 minutes range. It could not break the range high, but it was able to break the range low. And then it took the support around. No one could have imagined why did it react there. This is monthly high. This is the one. It plots the monthly range, monthly high and monthly low too. This, because it is monthly high, that means this is July month high. Market is still holding above that. So, and this is weekly low. Weekly low has been plotted. Why it is weekly low? It goes back to Monday, Tuesday. This is previous weekly low. The market is within the previous weekly low and current weekly low. Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is the weekly low. It is within the range, price is moving. It is like a liquidity ping pong, what is happening in the market. Market is not finding any direction over here. And you can see on this Nalini Loren system, you can see monthly low and monthly high. If I take the price note, let me take it over here, and if I apply the monthly low is automatically, you know this, 24,050 and 23,896, and the weekly low is 24,001. The market came down to this level, breaching the monthly high, and it rallied. Now today it is coming and retested this monthly high, and we need to see whether market is more going to expand in the next week. Tomorrow is Friday, whether it will be in this range Friday, or even if it goes up, it may trade within this range also Friday, or only if it starts breaching this low, 23,997 to 24,001, then the market starts moving down again, and this is the 8th July low. 8th July low and 1st July low is here. What did the market do? The market breached the 1st July low, that is monthly low, briefly, and it rallied. Now, this is very, very important level, monthly low. Sometimes what the market will do is it comes, and because it has taken the liquidity over here, sometimes they will come back to this level to retest that level. The liquidity sweep, only if they come to this level, they will get big money will become profitable. So if I see the swing high is from in this month, July month, Tuesday 7th, market made 24,563, and on 8th July, it was low. It was a low to the 23,805. The broader range for this month is swing low is between 24,563 to 23,805, and already it has breached the 1st July low, and we need to see market is consolidating within the range after the breakdown of this weekly opening range. This is the weekly range. Previous to previous weekly opening range, market has broken below, and it is consolidating, and since 2 weeks, it is consolidating within the week. It may become, because it was a huge drop down like this. The market is taking time. It may also continue down. The price may continue down, and it is June month high. This is June month low. June month high, there is beneath the June month high, there is liquidity sitting over here. It may come down and retest the June month high, or it may go inside the June month high. There is possibility. And if we see the structure, it may resemble the pattern of head and shoulder pattern. It may look like that. Sometimes patterns will appear nowadays. They may not follow through. There will be a failure of the patterns also. But if we see the pattern, this is the head, then if it is a head and shoulder pattern, we may anticipate for the market to go up to 23,183. This is where from the June month, 10th of June month, the market has rallied from there. It may even come down there. Who knows? But market is spending, you can see on the left shoulder, if it is a left one, even market also spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Afterwards, it made a low. Let us see how many days it has spent over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Exactly 7 days. So after 7 days, it was breakout to the upside. We need to see after this is the 7th day, we may see market may break down too. Let me take out this drawing. So in this system, it is a complete market structure system across the multi-time frame. In a single indicator, you get to know bird view of the monthly, weekly, as well as the intraday, daily opening range. Now let us see, let us go to the 5 minutes time frame. And what is this? This is the internal range filter and the hourly pivots. When you see here, the market, what did it do on today, previous day, market, let me zoom it. You can see clearly what the market did was, it was a huge rally on yesterday, no, today. Yesterday, there was no chance. Market moved up and finally you can see the swing high, and these swings are declining, indicating the market structure without any marking at all. You can see the market structure. Let me take out this magnet. And it's a market structure you are seeing. Just a second. High, lower high, lower higher, breakdown. This is higher high. You can see the swing lows are ascending over here. And the swing high was till this price action. Price action means complete 1 day. From 15th afternoon session, it stayed within a smaller range but prepared itself for the gap up. After the fall, it prepared itself and the weekly and the monthly lows, monthly high and the weekly low were protecting this level. The market gapped up today and after that it started coming down. The opening range was plotted over here, but the swing high also together simultaneously it starts plotting. You can see the swing high, market breaking above the previous day swing high, making an high and retest and making a higher high. But today's opening range ORB, this is the purple color line, is the 30-minute ORB low. It has plotted over here and ORB high. Market could not cross this. And also notice over here, this line itself says lower high. Let me write down. This is lower high. Then lower high, lower high, lower high, and market breaking down between the hourly range filter and the internal range filter turning magenta. That means trend is down. It is so easy system. You can trade on the intraday. So when it starts showing the lower high at this level, that is 12.25, you could have entered into put option. Let me go to the put option, 24,200 put option. How that came down. Exactly the open range filter, how it helps ORB, this Loren indicator. Can you see over here? Today, this put option broke below the weekly. This is an option premium. You should remember that. It started making a low, and swing high, and swing lower low. But notice here, this swing low was ascending. This itself is a indication that market is trying to reverse from here. It gave a reversal signal exactly around 12.25. That is what happened in the underlying Nifty chart. Then market starts climbing inside the ORB range and market broke above the ORB high. This was the open range high. It made an high of 230. From here, it started climbing above the weekly low and it started moving higher. See here, the internal range filter turning into green. That means trend is turning into green. Market structure is supporting higher high. So that's how the market, you can trade with the Nalini Loren system. This is a complete market structure system. Trading becomes easy. You need not go here and there, mark the levels. You know the levels which are plotted on the chart. It comes plotted on the chart. You go get the reference levels. Suppose if we go to the 24,200 call option, let us check. See, exactly around 11.5, it made an high. And it broke down completely around 12.25. This was the complete breakdown. No look back. Here, it did not break down. It made a lower high. Here, it started making lower high and still the swing high and swing low. This was it was not receding. Once it starts falling below, you can see the fall of this 24,200 call option plummeted to 66 rupees. You could have taken this call option. For an option writer also, it is a boon. It is an easy way with the Nalini Loren system. They can sell the option, call option here itself. Around 126, if they would have sold it, they would have cashed in almost 60 points in this trade. So this system is for either buying the option, you can buy options very easily and you can see the market structure, swing highs and swing lows, internal range filters, ORB high and ORB low, weekly low and weekly ranges, weekly ORBs, monthly ORBs, you can see in its complete system. Thank you very much, friends. This is about my Nalini indicator, Nalini Loren system indicator. Let me write down so that you will not forget. Nalini Loren indicator. So if you want to get access to this indicator, you can WhatsApp me on this number 984520960. It is a paid indicator. You will get the details if you WhatsApp me. So you will get an instruction, and once you buy this, I will connect through Gmail to explain how to take the trades and all the settings about this. You can see the dashboard also over here. It is telling monthly ORB bias. This is the call option, bearish. Weekly ORB range, it is telling 155 points, and weekly ORB bias is also bearish, and daily ORB bias is also bearish, and multi-time frame bias, it is telling it is compression. Here it is showing a compression. That's why it is showing compression. So friends, thank you very much for listening to my video. Do subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up. It is an effort, friends. Actually, I made a lot of efforts to bring this system onto the chart, and also I'm bringing up video. It takes a lot of time to make the video. At least your thumbs up, your likes, your comments will give inspiration and give me motivation to make more this type of videos for you, educational videos. You can come back to me and you can see my channel. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami,